Good afternoon and welcome to HAQQ TV. A helicopter carrying Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi made a hard landing on Sunday in the northern province of Mazandaran. According to official reports, President Raisi and other passengers on board escaped without serious injuries, although some were treated for minor ailments.
The incident occurred as President Raisi was en route to inspect infrastructure projects in the mountainous region. The presidential office stated that the helicopter encountered technical difficulties shortly before landing, forcing the pilot to execute an emergency procedure. Eyewitnesses reported seeing the helicopter descend. The quick response of the pilot and crew prevented what could have been a catastrophic accident, a government spokesperson said. "We are thankful that President Raisi and everyone on board are safe." Following the incident, emergency services swiftly arrived at the scene, providing medical attention to the passengers. While the exact cause of the technical issue is still under investigation, preliminary assessments suggest a mechanical failure may have been responsible.
Make sure you subscribe to our channel HAQQ TV for latest news.